Welcome back to Van Crochet channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do this bookmark. For this bookmark, I did 3 different designs. You can do the longer flower with the shorter stem, or you can do it without the stem, it's okay, or the less flower with the longer stem. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to do this yellow one with 7 petals and the medium stem with the leaf. So I hope you like this pattern. Before we start, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials to come. For this bookmark, I'm gonna use True Color Milk Cotton 100% cotton yarn and similar yarn in the green color for the leaf and the stem, and this is for the flower petal. It's up to you, you can choose any color you like. Some scissors, tapestry needle, and a crochet hook. I'm gonna use 3.5mm crochet hook. When you get everything ready, we can get started. To start, take out the first color you want to make the flower petal, and in this case, I'm gonna use this yellow color. Then I'm gonna make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, I will placing the yarn like this, leave a little tail, and then with the hook, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through. So we did the slip knot, and then we're gonna chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 chains. We're gonna make 3 double crochet into the 7 chain from here, from the top. So you can count from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we will do 3 double crochet into the chain 7 in here. We will insert the hook into this chain. To do double crochet, yarn over 1, insert the hook into the chain 7, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and the last double crochet into the same chain. So we complete 3 double crochet into the 7 chain, and then we will make another 2 double crochet into the chain 8. This was the first chain we did after the slip knot. Yarn over, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 1 more, then we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work to the back. This is the back of the work. Then we will make a slip stitch into the first V. here is the first V. So we will make slip stitch under this V. To make slip stitch, we're gonna insert the hook under the V, then yarn over, pull up, pull through. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next V. So every time I said V, that means we will insert the hook under the through loop, yarn over, pull up, pull through. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook under the next V, pull up, pull through. 2 more. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next V, pull up, pull through. Chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the V. This is the last V. Pull up, pull through. So we just did 5 times slip stitch, chain 3. So we're repeating 5 times. So we have the space. The space we did 6 chain on the first row. Then we're gonna chain 6 to start the second row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from here, we will make 3 double crochet into the second chain. Count from the chain next to the stitch we just made. So this is the first chain and the second chain is here. We will insert the hook into here and make 3 double crochet. To make double crochet, yarn over 1, insert the hook into 1 loop, then yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. 2 more. So now we have 3 double crochet into the second chain. So we continue with 2 double crochet into the third chain, the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook. We only take 1 loop, then pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. 1 more into the same chain. So now we did 5 double crochet, totally like the first row. Then we're gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn the work and slip stitch into the first V. The first V is here. So you have to find the first V before insert the hook, just to make sure that's the right one. Is the top of this double crochet. Then we're gonna slip stitch, insert the hook under the V, pull up, pull through. So we're gonna repeating 4 more times, just like the first row. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into the next V, pull up, pull through. So we just did the second row for the petal. So you must have a little bit more understanding about this pattern right now. Then we're gonna chain 6 to start the third row for the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 double crochet into the second chain from here. Yarn over 1, insert the hook into the second chain. The second chain here, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. 2 more into the same chain. Next, we will do 2 double crochet into the next chain. Now we just did 5 double crochet. Then we're gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work. Then we will do slip stitch into the first V, yarn over, pull up, pull through. 4 more times, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So we finished the third row of the pattern. So I will work you guys until the end of the row 5. The pattern for the row 4 will be the same as the row 2, and the row 5 will be same as the row 3 until you reach to the desired length of the bookmark you want to crochet. So to start the row 4, we're gonna chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 3 double crochet into the second chain. From here, 1, 2. Then 2 double crochet into the next chain. So we get 5 double crochet. Then we're gonna chain 3, turn the work, slip stitch into the first V, pull up, pull through. Repeating 4 more times. To start the row 5, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3 double crochet into the second chain, yarn over 1, insert the hook, pull up, 2 more, next 2 double crochet into the next chain, then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn the work, slip stitch into the first V, chain 3, repeating 4 more times. So now we just finished 5 petals for the bookmark, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So continue the pattern until you reach to the length you desire. Then we can finish the petal together. So now I just done the 7 petals for the flower. I'm gonna chain 1. Use the scissors to trim off the yarn. Then we will use the taper needle to weave in the leftover yarn. So we're gonna hide the yarn at the back, insert into the loop. Before we're gonna to do this stem, the leaf stem for the flower, it's up to you if you want the petal facing down or facing up. This one is facing down, so you see the difference between these two. This one is facing up, so you have to decide where you want to insert the stem. For this one, I'm gonna insert the stem into the up to here, so my flower will be facing down like this one. So now we're gonna connect the chain to the flower. Because my flower is facing down, I'm gonna connect into the middle of the petal. I will make a slip stitch into the middle. If your flower is facing up, you can insert the hook and make slip stitch into the chain 6. So we're gonna slip stitch into the middle. To make a slip stitch, pull the yarn, the green yarn from the back, yarn over. Then I'm gonna chain 40. So now I just finished 40 chain. The length of the chain is up to your flower petal. If you make the longer petal, you can make the shorter length, or if you want like the same length, you can make the 40 chain like me. To start with the leaf, we're gonna single crochet into the second chain from the top. To do the single crochet, insert the hook into the second chain from the top. First one, second one, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, and then half double crochet into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, then double crochet into the next chain, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through. Same for the next chain, double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through. And we're gonna half double crochet into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 3, and single crochet into the next chain, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through. Now we chain 1. We just finished the one side of the leaf. To do the second side, the opposite side, make sure the working yarn is under the chain, is over the yarn. Then we're gonna turn the work and make the single crochet into the same V like the opposite side. We did the single crochet in here, and then we will look for the same stitch, should be this one, and we only do the single crochet into the 2 loops. To do single crochet, insert the hook under the V, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, then half double crochet into the next V, yarn over, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through, then double crochet into the next V, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, double crochet into the next V, yarn over, insert the hook, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, half double crochet into the next V, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, pull through, and single crochet into the last V, pull up, yarn over, pull through. So we just finished the other row. We're gonna slip stitch into the first V we did for the when we start the chain 1. So it looks pretty good right now. You can leave the lip like that, or you can follow me. I will make 7 slip stitches into the middle, so you will see the difference. Because we have 7 chain, so we're gonna insert the hook into the first one in the middle, pull up, pull through. Second, pull up, pull through. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. 6. 7. 'Then we're gonna connect this chain to the stem, to the long chain. So we're gonna slip stitch into this chain, yarn over, pull through. Then chain 1, trim off the yarn. So now we're gonna weave in the leftover yarn. Insert the needle into the next chain, and then turn to the back. We're gonna hide the yarn into the back. So now we're gonna do the same thing for this tail. And now our bookmark is complete, and that's all for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please leave a like, comment and subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comment below.